New York City's culinary landscape is incredibly rich, especially when it comes to finding authentic flavors deeply rooted in tradition. Have you ever wondered about the legendary spots that capture the true essence of soul food? Charles Country Fried Chicken, a beloved Harlem institution, is primarily known for its incredibly delicious, perfectly crispy, and consistently tender pan-fried chicken. This reputation stems directly from the meticulous cooking philosophy of its founder, Charles Gabriel, often called the Fried Chicken King. Unlike many establishments that deep fry, Charles Gabriel insists on traditional pan frying. This method ensures each piece of chicken cooks evenly, developing a remarkably crisp, golden brown crust while keeping the meat wonderfully juicy and flavorful inside. It is a slow and careful process, reflecting a dedication to classic Southern cooking techniques that many believe sets his chicken apart. The secret also lies in the fresh, high-quality chicken and a closely guarded blend of seasonings that infuse every bite with a comforting, home-cooked taste. This commitment to fresh ingredients and time-honored preparation creates a distinct texture and flavor profile that has earned loyal customers for decades. It is not just about eating fried chicken, it is about experiencing a culinary tradition. When you visit, you will find a straightforward, unpretentious counter-service experience, where the focus remains entirely on the exceptional food. Patrons often pair their chicken with classic soul food sides, like collard greens, mac and cheese, or candied yams, which are prepared with the same dedication to authenticity and flavor. Ultimately, Charles Country Fried Chicken is known for delivering an authentic taste of Harlem soul food, embodying a rich cultural heritage through its exceptional, expertly pan-fried chicken. It is a delicious testament to the power of tradition and simple, high-quality ingredients, offering a true taste of New York City's diverse and vibrant food culture.